G'day. So we're going to install Neural DSP plugin on Linux and the ilok installer. Just go to the ilok website, get the Windows package, download it into your download directory, and we'll install it using Wine. So I found having this, it's handy to look no matter how many plugins you got, to organise them all on your different computers if you do that. So once you've extracted it, just right click, extract here, you get the folder, and you see here we got the .exe file. I'll just go back in there again. So we'll just right click that and run it with Wine Windows Program Loader. So I've got a video on how I set up Wine staging. So then just go through the installer just like you're on Windows. It'll install this Bonjour thing and then another paste license support thing. So just click your way through that, sign your life away. So I find this handy just compared to installing using the web installer when you open the VST up, to keep on top of all your plugins. Though they're pretty bloody expensive, but they're alright. So anyway, you'll find that in your system applications, just in Wine, we've got ilok manager. So the first time you open it, sign in, put your digits in, and then it'll tell you what you got. I gave the Rabia one a go, wasn't too keen on that. So once you're in there, yeah, all your plugins, you can handle your activations and all that sort of thing, and on all your different systems. So back on the DSP, Neural DSP side, we're going to give Nolly a go. He's a bit of a rocker. So we're just doing the free trial. There's no way I'm forking out €135 for Nolly. Just put your email in for the free trial and then download the Windows application. Same again, just what we did with the ilok installer. Just download that. Right click it in your downloads and we'll extract it. Where is it? Oh no, it's just a .exe file, so you don't have to do any of that. That's right. So now here we are. You can't see what's written. So a couple of things, it's really faint. If you're on a laptop, just tilt your screen back, you'll be able to see what it says. But I'll just show you another thing. When you uninstall, it all comes up. So I don't know why the installer doesn't show all the fonts. Just a thing with Wine, usually all the installers are pretty good, don't have much dramas, but this Neural DSP, when you're installing it, yeah, the font is really faint. So if you can tilt your monitor a bit, you'll be able to make out what it says. So anyway, just agree to all that stuff as you usually have to do, and we've got install all the packages, and it'll tell you here, you can see your folders if you want to put it somewhere else. So I usually just go with everything that it says. It's just saying it's ready to install, and now it's all installed. Click finish and you're ready to go. So if you want to run them standalone, if you want to put them in your door, you're going to need Yardbridge. So you can check out a video of that I got for on Linux. But yeah, if you just find them in your Drive C, Wine, and then we got here a Neural DSP folder. So just have a look at Nolly. We'll right click that. I'll just got to put the sound on USB first for me interface. So we'll just right click that and run that and cross your fingers and it should start up. Oh, that's right. So yeah, we're just doing the trial activation, so we just put all that in. So I noticed with this, when you go through it, you'll have to run the program again. So when it says it's successful activation, you hit continue, nothing happens. So if we just right click again, open, then it'll give us a warning saying we've only got so long left, so not activate, just continue, because we're on the free trial. And here we've got nolly. So a couple of things here you'll notice is the latency. So I'm using jack for me sound, and if you're using it in your DAW, you don't have to worry about this, but if you're doing it standalone, I'll just connect this in there. So we've got a sound, but it's a few milliseconds behind. So if we just go into the settings in the app here and try this Windows audio low latency mode, and then down match your sample rate to your audio interface. So I'm using 48k, and samples, I don't get this, same on ML Sound Labs, they only go down to 240. I don't know why no one has 128. So anyway, I'll just put it on to 56. So that's my next setting in jack, and that's all pretty good. I'll just have to connect because I've changed the audio device, and now it's playable, which comes through pretty good. So yeah, just sort out your settings there for your audio. Now we'll have a look in your DAW. You don't have to worry about any of those audio settings, and you're off and rocking. See ya.